What's going on, YouTube? I know it's been a minute. I've been trying to stay focused on this YouTube thing, but it kind of gets hard sometimes. But anyways, I'm back. I'm in full effect, and today we are doing car show maintenance.
Concept, he's gonna mix it.
That's a swag bag. That's a swag bag. That's a swag bag. That's a swag bag. Money making, never breaking. That's a swag bag. Hustle hard, stay patient. That's a swag bag. 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 Money making, never breaking. That's a swag bag. Hustle hard, stay patient. That's a swag bag. 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 Money making, never breaking. That's a swag bag. Hustle hard, stay patient. That's a swag bag.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Hit that bell and rock with your boy.
Let's get it.
One thing that everybody should do every once in a while is go over their cars and check to make sure everything is right, make sure everything is secure, and just make sure everything's working, especially with these show cars, because we take them out, we show them, we have fun with them, and sometimes we forget to make sure everything is straight. So today, what I'm doing is I'm working on my wide body. So when I say working on my wide body, I mean just like making sure it's all secure. I've had this wide body on for over a year, and as you can see, certain parts of it is starting to separate. It's real bad over here on this side, on the door, right here. So, as y'all can see, I already went ahead and taped up the spots that I need to glue back on, so that way I can go ahead and glue it back on. So the first thing y'all gotta do, of course, is tape it up, so that way when you pour the glue in here and you apply pressure, the glue's gonna seep out. You don't want it to get on your wrap or your paint or whatever, so you gotta tape it up front and back. Then you gotta get your materials. I'm using 3M 08223, some high quality shit. Then I got some adhesive cleaner in case if I do get some on my wrap. I take my microfibers, pour some of that on there, and just wipe it gently so that way the adhesive comes off. And of course you need your gun and everything. But what I gotta do first is I gotta go and make sure that it's clean behind these flares. So what I'm gonna do is take sorry, I didn't even realize that I was that close. I'm gonna take a blade and go behind there and clean up behind it to make sure everything is good. Couldn't record it, but I went back here. There was still some old wrap behind here. So I went back there and scraped as much as I could out, so that way the glue could actually have something to stick to and it's not sticking to the wrap. That was the problem. The glue wasn't stuck to the car, it was stuck to the wrap. So after a while, the shit's gonna come off. So don't worry, I'm gonna fix that, but let me go ahead and start gluing. You just hold it on here like this. I got a little bit on the wrap. Wipe it off like that. Take my finger. Kind of just like smooth it all out. Just like that. Continue to smooth it on out. just like that. Now I'm gonna go to the next part, which is the front part of the car. I went ahead and applied it here. Smooth it out as much as I can. I'll spread it a little bit. I can't do it with one hand. So I really couldn't film it because I needed both hands to do it. I actually had to go and call in for backup, so I had to have my dad come out here and help me with it, because this glue dries so quick that you got to move quick. And if you don't have like the proper things to apply pressure to hold it still, then it's going to dry, and then it's going to be pointless, because then you didn't accomplish your mission because you didn't apply any pressure so it could stick to each other, you know what I'm saying? But I'm about to show y'all what I got so far. So this part done, as you can see, no more separation there. Go to the front. No more separation there. Go over to this side. This is where I did it. No more separation there. And then back here, along this edge, no more separation. Up close, you can see the glue, but with my wrap, it's real hard to tell. You know what I'm saying? So I say it was a success. You can see a little glue stain right there. I'm gonna try to get that off, but that's a success. This side came out clean. Of course, that was the first side I did. And then, yep. So we in there. In there like booty hair. That's it. I mean, nothing to it. It's easy for those who think that you got to pay all this money to put on your wide bodies. You don't. Cutting it is not that deep because you can't really mess up. You cut your car, the wide body's going to cover it anyway, right? You're putting on a wide body, I'm pretty sure you're not planning on taking it off. So if you cut your car, you can't cut too far. You can cut too little, but you can't cut too far. I mean, I guess you could if you went all the way up here, but on the fender, you can't cut too far. Maybe like an inch and a half, and you'll be good, because like I said, the wide body flare gonna cover it anyway. But use this glue. If y'all installing wide bodies, use this glue, because this glue does some dope ass shit. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all like what y'all see, y'all want to see more videos like this, make sure y'all leave the comments below. I'm glad to do videos like this, show y'all how to do things and how I go about doing things and modding these cars. So before we go, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, and rock with your boy.